Hello, I am Suhani Jain, currently pursuing in computer applications at Avantika University, Ujjain. I have created this decimal to binary converter, which I refer to as the DBC, for the course Digital Computer Fundamentals under the guidance of Dr. Saurabh Sharma. This model is an interactive and intuitive educational tool to visually demonstrate the conversion of decimal digits to binary digits. As you can see, I have used rocker switches and LED lights to demonstrate the conversion. For example, let's turn on switch 9. Now, the LED representing 2 to the power 3, which equals 8, and the LED representing 2 to the power 0, which equals 1, have illuminated. The LEDs which are glowing depict the binary digit 1, and the LEDs which are not glowing depict the binary digit 0. Therefore, the binary conversion of the decimal number 9 is 1001. This is how the model works, and that's all there is to it. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on the DBC. Feel free to share your feedback in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one.